Today I will tell you extrude command how to use. See this one model. In this model, uh, how we use the extrude command. So first of all, I will go to hide these all features. I already made this model. So you have there is one sketch visible on this environment. Let's hide other features. Just see, this one is the sketch which I already made and also give dimensions to them. This is basically a 3 pivot part which is usually used in cars, act as a control arm. So just we finish this sketch, and now from the home we will select extrude. Here select the curve. In section first select curve. So how we will select? See here there are many options to select. Connected curves and with stop at intersection. Okay, so we select this curve. Where is the intersection available? It stop there. Now we adjust the height of that extrude. Now see, in z direction this vector we have given, so that extrude of this sketch in g opposite direction. Okay, see this one is the 15 mm is the depth of it of this extrude. We have given in minus g direction. Okay, just check the other options and click OK. Okay, this one is the base feature of that controller. Now we will create select, see that, specify the vector. We will select these circles of sketch. Okay, here appear and give some distance. Let's see how much it, 5 mm. Let's 5 mm. Okay, minus 20 mm. We are extruding it in two directions, g direction and minus g direction. Okay, just click OK. We want to unite it with existing feature. Okay, see this one. And again extrude command is selected. We are here to create a hole in it. This is the offset. Whatever be the edges selected of these circles, we give the minus 5 mm. It means that from the existing circle it offset 5 mm inside. Okay. So this one we should be from here unite, we go to subtract, select subtract. So the portion is reduced from, the material is removed from here, that hole is created in it. Okay. In same way we will create another two some extrude portions like that, minus 5 and minus 20, and unite with the existing part. at both the ends this extruded part is produced. Now we have to create here hole on this region. Okay, so select the edges of that. See here, face edges. Okay, just face select. By default it edges come appear here, and from here just subtract. Offset, we give some offset, should be inside that region, -5 mm. Okay, just here see hole is not through, so just tune the recheck the heights of it again. Oh, earlier one is not united, now united. Achha, that's we have to do one thing, just face edges in it. First we will complete it, then modify that one. -25. There we give the 20 value. That's why it is not go through. Like see here, to throughout this hole created. Here we just change the values in this extrude and give -25. So the hole should be throughout of this feature. In that way we created. Okay. Okay, I think maybe you understand this extrude command how to use in NX in a very well way. Okay, so okay, then just we give the some radiuses here. Let's we say someone phone is come, someone phone has come. Okay, so in both side of the edges we define the radius. How to the radius select, see, okay, then is okay. Okay, guys, thank you for attending this session, and in this way we complete the fillet of give the